What is going on, you guys? My name is Daniel and welcome back to the channel where everything mirrorless Canon cameras. Today we're going over 4 buttons that are kind of mysterious little buttons on the Canon R6. Or more of like forgotten and unused, but you know, whatever. Mysterious makes for a better title. Let's get into it. So first off is the button in the front. I actually don't even know what it's called, but what this button will do is it actually closes down your f-stop for whatever it is so that you can see how much bokeh or how much is going to be in focus so that you can see exactly what it's going to be like. So you press this button and the fins come in and then it shows you what your bokeh is going to look like. Pretty straightforward and simple. I don't know what this button is called. If somebody wants to throw that down in the comment section, thank you in advance. Up next is the little magnifying glass button, and I just totally called it all sorts of wrong names. But what this button will do is it is a quick stop for your 10 zoom into whatever it is so that you can nail focus on exactly the eye or exactly whatever you want it to be on. Because sometimes it's a little bit hairy what you're trying to shoot and then it's like, is it really in focus? And then you can zoom in and be like, it's in focus. And next up is the M function button that just toggles all of your different options that you can change quickly and see, like, it's pretty much that black screen except in a reel, and it makes it kind of easy to switch between those. I don't use it a lot, and I figure a lot of you probably don't use it because it's just easier to pull your face away and then press the buttons. But if you figure this out, it can help you change stuff on the fly. And the final one is the rate button. What does the rate button do? Well, it's pretty simple. You just go into your photos and you literally press the button rate when you're looking through the photos that you've taken and it rates them. And what's really cool though is that when you put it into Lightroom, the rate button or the rate whatever you've done it to will stick with that photo. And it's kind of nice that way because then you can rate in camera and then go over to the computer and know which ones you liked in advance. So this has been a quick, nice, short video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like, just subscribe if you're into this type of stuff and want to figure out how to shoot better with your Canon R6 and other mirrorless Canon cameras. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.